Would you like to know how you can reset your Photoshop to default setting? Stay tuned. Well, if you messed up your Photoshop and you lost all your settings, or your settings moved from one place to another one, or there is something that you don't like about your Photoshop, let me show you how you can reset it to default settings. We're gonna be working with Photoshop, so the first thing we're gonna find out where our app is. If you have Photoshop open, do me a favor, please close it. Make sure you quit on it. Make sure it's fully closed. So what we're gonna do, before we click on it to open it, we're gonna hold Option, Command, and Shift, and you're gonna click Open. You wait, it's gonna give you a pop-up like this. It's gonna ask you, delete Adobe Photoshop settings file. We're gonna click Yes. It's gonna load some stuff, and it's gonna go to its default settings. Brand new, nothing changed. And that is how you change your settings to default settings in Photoshop. I will see you on the next video, which most likely will be tomorrow, so stay safe.